Hello everyone, my name is Sam Dooley, and in this video I will use the Equalize editor with the JAWS screen reader to show the manual configuration setup needed to use the Equalize editor with JAWS. These steps can be used as an alternative to downloading and installing the JAWS configuration file. If you use the configuration file, you do not need to perform this manual setup. First, let's see what can happen without the proper JAWS configuration. I use a browser to access the Equalize editor website, lakepinesbraille.com/ee. I'm using Google Chrome, but you may use other browsers as well. With the input focus in the main input area, I type Ctrl-R to select Braille entry mode. Then I type dots 456, 146 on my Braille device to create the open Nemeth indicator so that I can enter a math expression. But instead, dots 456 is ignored, and dots 146 becomes the SH contraction, which expands to shall after I press space, which is not what I want. So I use dot 7 backspace to erase shall. Now I type JAWS +6 to open the JAWS Settings Center. I select www.lakepinesbraille.com open parenthesis domain as the application because I want these changes to affect the Equalize editor but not other applications or web pages. I navigate first to the Braille General tab. On this tab I set the output translation to UEB grade 2 and the input translation to Computer Braille. Then I clear the checkbox to show current word in Computer Braille. Next I navigate to the Braille Flash Messages tab and clear the checkbox to enable flash messages. Now I move to the Forms Mode tab and select Forms Mode to Auto. The last setting is on the Web, HTML, PDFs, Miscellaneous tab, where I set the page refresh filter to suppress all refreshes. I press the OK button to save these changes and return to the Equalize editor to test the results. With the input focus in the main input area, I use my Braille device to type dots 456, 146 for the open Nemeth indicator so I can enter a math expression. This time I read both the open and close Nemeth indicators on my Braille device with a full Braille cell in between that is ready for more input. Now JAWS is using the new settings for the Equalize editor. It only does so when the browser visits the Lake Pines Braille website, so no other applications or web pages are affected. Please send email or leave a comment if you have any suggestions for configuration changes that would improve how JAWS interacts with the Equalize editor. For more information about the Equalize editor, please visit the Lake Pines Braille website at www.lakepinesbraille.com.